Hello my dear friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video we have one very interesting question from functional equations. Here we have to find f of 2009 given that fx is mapped real to real with x. So let's get started by writing the given functional equation number 1. Now I will be replacing our function variable x with 1 minus x. So we have to put 1 minus x everywhere where x is written right now. I will calculate LHS and RHS separately. So let us find LHS first. F of x square is there. So we'll write 1 minus x whole square. Then we have plus x. So we'll write plus 1 minus x. Then we have plus 3. We'll write plus 3. Then we have plus 2 times f of in the bracket x square. There we'll write 1 minus x whole square minus 3 times 1 minus x. We have plus 5 at last, bracket close. Now we have to expand 1 minus x whole square and then we have to simplify. So f of 1 plus x square minus 2x. Then we'll write minus x, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 times f of in bracket 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2, which will be equal to f of x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x 1 plus 4 is 5. So we are getting this bracket over here plus 2 times f of x square minus 2x plus 3x plus x 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we have this bracket x square plus x plus 3 from equation 1. Now we have to calculate right hand side. Right hand side is 6x square minus 10x plus 17. So let us put 1 minus x in place of x. 1 minus x whole square minus 10 times 1 minus x plus 17, which will write 6x square minus 12x plus 6 minus 10 plus 10x plus 17, which will become 6x square minus 2x. Then we have 6 plus 17 minus 10. We'll write plus 30. So here we have right hand side of equation 2 and here we have left hand side of equation 2. Let me write over here f of x square minus 3x plus 5 plus 2 times f of x square plus x plus 3. In right hand side we'll write 6x square minus 2x plus 13. Let us say this is our equation number 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2. I need to multiply this equation number 2 by 2. So let me write here equation 2 times 2. Let's multiply and write 2 times f of x square minus 3x plus 5 plus 2 times 2 is 4, f of x square plus x plus 3. Now we'll multiply by 2 in RHS also. So 2 times 6 is 12, so 12x square. 2 times 2 is 4, so minus 4x. 2 times 13 is 26. Let's say this is our equation number 3. Now we will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 3. So I need to write equation number 1 over here. So I will consider 2 times f of x square minus 3x plus 5 terms first. So I need to write here 2 times f of x square minus 3x plus 5 plus f of x square plus x plus 3 equal to 6x square minus 10x plus 17. Now we will subtract second equation from first one, or equation number 1 from equation number 3. Let's change the sign over here. So these two terms will get over. 4 minus 1 is 3. We will write 3f of x square plus x plus 3 in LHS. And in right hand side, 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6x square minus 4x plus 10x plus 6x. 26 minus 17 plus 9, which we will write 3 times f of x square plus x plus 3 equal to, we'll take 3 common out. So in the bracket there would be 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we can divide both sides by 3 so that multiplier 3 will be over from LHS and RHS. 3 over 3 will become 1. 3 over 3 will become 1. So we will get f x square plus x plus 3 in LHS, and in RHS we have 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Now this 3 can be written as 6 minus 3. So I will write RHS first. 2x square plus 2x plus 6 minus 3. Now we will write f of x square plus x plus 3. Now we have 2 common from these 3 terms. So if I will take 2 common out, so in the bracket there would be x square plus x plus 3. Then we have minus 3. F of x square plus x plus 3. Now we can replace x square plus x plus 3 by writing over there t. So here we'll write t, and this is also t. We will get functional equation f of t equal to 2t minus 3. And if I will replace the variable t with x, I can easily write f of x equal to 2x minus 3. Now x is real to real with fx, or fx is real to real mapped with x. We have to check, is there any restriction on the value of x before finding f 2009. So if I will write here x square plus x plus 3, I will use completing the square method to write here x square. Then we have x. Coefficient of x is 1, half of 1 is 1 over 2, square of 1 over 2 is 1 over 4. We'll add 1 over 4 and we'll subtract also 1 over 4. Now from these 3 terms, I can write x plus half whole square. And from these two, we'll get 12 minus 1, which is 11 over 4. A square is always greater than or equal to 0. So we can conclude from here x should be greater than or equal to 11 over 4. X plus 1 over 2 whole square will be non-negative quantity. So the minimum value of x plus half whole square will be 0. So x would be 11 over 4 or greater than 11 over 4. Now we will take up x square minus 3x plus 5. We'll use completing the square method. So I need to add 9 over 4. So I will subtract the same. So I will write 5 minus 9 over 4. From these three terms, I can easily write one perfect square of x minus 3 over 2. 20 minus 9, 11 over 4. This quantity is always greater than or equal to 0. So minimum value of this square is 0. We can say x must be greater than or equal to by replacing the variable 11 over 4. So we have fx, it is 2x minus 3. Here x is greater than or equal to 11 over 4. Now we have to put x equal to 2009 to get the value of f 2009. So I will write here fx equal to 2x minus 3. Put x equal to 2009. We will get f of 2009 equal to 2 times 2009 minus 3, which is 4018 minus 3 will be equal to 4015. So I can write here our answer f 2009 would be 4015. And if we will write fx, then I can write fx equal to 2x minus 3 for x greater than or equal to 11 over 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.